Photobombed!
Good.
How was the boating, guys?
Awesome. Good time. You already know, man. Smart Lake. Yeah. 2016.
It's bright. Mucha fuerza. So I got my dimmer switch on here. Oh, now we got the moon.
Are you guys calling it to sell it or?
No, I sell LED lighting, and
Oh, that's really
so I wrap the outdoor stuff around the boat.
And on the interior. Right?
Yeah, we got it hooked up
really
so
sweet.
it bounces with the base, and
Is it hooked up to the battery or the?
I got a second battery in that I put in, so we just charge it up during the
Oh,
day.
and it changes colors too.
Yeah. So it's the RGB, and then I got my little remote control.
Oh, okay.
Can go like way too bright, and
Oh wow, that's really.
so
cool.
I can bring it on down, so I'm just a nice little glow.
Thank you, brother Heath. Wow, that's actually really cool. Do you do it just for boats, or do you do it for trucks, or?
I got some on my truck.
Okay.
You know, but with that, I mean, you know, the laws are when you're on the land, you can't be shining down on the pavement. When you're in the water, you can't have it on when you're out on open water.
Yeah.
So behind the buoys and everything, I'm okay.
Yeah. Well, I noticed it when you guys were over here when we were coming in, and I was like, wow,
That was
that's
nice,
really
right?
cool. Yeah, it looked nice.
Right? It was like,
I almost
okay.
thought it was like something nifty on someone's trailer at first, and then I saw it come out because it was right when you guys were pulling off, and I was like, oh wow, that looks real nice. Yeah.
Well, I mean, nice enough for right now. I mean, you definitely know where that boat is, right?
Oh yeah, heck yeah.
And then if we were out partying over here and wanting to swim, I think we'd have nice rope light around us.
Oh yeah, exactly.
And then for loading and unloading, no one's going to leave their $100 flip-flops behind.
Yeah, you can see in the inside. I mean, you got the different colors too. My one of my buddies, he found a little piece you can hook up to this kind of thing, and you can actually like put the LEDs to music.
Yeah, that's what this has.
It does have.
Yeah.
I was just about to ask.
So he's got to go into the music right now, kind of.
That's really cool. Yeah, that's really sweet.
Yeah, I'm gonna post this on my YouTube there for advertising for LED lighting.
So do you do cars, like, do you sell
Well,
for cars, like underglows or anything like that? Or is it
no,
just for boat
well, this is bulk product,
Oh, okay.
and so you can go to one of my suppliers that sell it
Uh-huh.
and buy the bulk rope lighting, and then buy the pieces and just put it on yourself.
Oh, okay.
So in Arizona, there's a place called Sprinkler World of Arizona.
Sprinkler World?
Yeah, so this is the same strip lighting here that we use underneath barbecues and underneath counters on outside barbecues, backyard barbecues, and outside restaurants.
That's
And
really
so it's got a PVC coating that it's encased in, so it's weatherproof.
And is this the one where you can cut it anywhere and it still is that? Like, will the lights still turn on or?
Yes,
Okay.
there's cut points.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
I'll have to look at I'll have to try and find it on YouTube and stuff, so.
Yeah, well, I got to get this posted up, and then Sprinkler World
Okay.
of Arizona is one of the distributors. And you can always catch me there. Yeah, I mean, just right. It's cool.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for.
Man, yeah.
Thanks, sir. Do I have permission to leave you on my YouTube video?
Oh yeah, of course.
All right.